Hey, Jason from xFanatical here. In this short video, I'm going to demonstrate to you a SafeDoc feature that removes the comment feature in Google Docs. Comment is an essential feature in cloud-based collaborative apps Google Workspace, formerly G Suite. It keeps people informed when someone else made edits or feedback to a document. Having that said, in schools, some smart students repurpose the comment feature as a convenient messenger. Since Admin Console does not have an option to configure this feature, this video explains how SafeDoc Chrome extension disable the comment feature. So, let's see how it works. The left window is a student's Chrome browser without SafeDoc installed, and the right window is another student's browser with SafeDoc installed. First, let's see some of the options for commenting that is available in different way in Google Apps. Adding a comment can be done via comment option in Insert menu, or the plus icon in the toolbar of any of these apps. Also in the right edge of Google document. Students can initiate a comment, edit a comment, reply to others' comment, delete a comment, or approve or reject others' comments. At the top right of these apps, you will also find a comment history button. This opens up a list of current documents, past comments from anyone. Students can reply to comments in place. Now, let's see what happens after SafeDoc install. SafeDoc disables the comment feature in all of these apps. Students are disallowed to post comments. Students, however, can still see comments from the teachers. The comment option in Insert menu in Docs editors is removed. The plus comment button is removed from the Docs editor's toolbar inside Edge. The comment item in the context menu is also removed. In the comment history dialog, students are not allowed to initiate new comments or reply to others' comments. That said, students still receive comments from the teacher and acknowledge them. The blocking of commenting feature is controlled by block comment policy. If you have yet to install SafeDoc, apply for a 30 days trial. The SafeDoc subscription form link is also given in the video description. If you like our video, hit the thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell icon to get notifications about the news, trends, and products that help you manage your K-12 school system very well.